Step 1. Align the rear bumper with the cone at the entrance of the parking space. This starting position helps create the correct angle for the reverse maneuver. Step 2. Check mirrors and blind spots for pedestrians and other vehicles. Always make sure the area around your car is clear before you begin reversing. Step 3. Start reversing and turn the steering wheel fully to the right. Step 4. Reverse until the corner cone appears in the side mirror. Step 5. Straighten your steering and keep reversing until the front bumper passes the cone. At this stage, your vehicle should begin aligning with the parking space. Step 6. Turn the wheel fully left and reverse until your car enters the parking area. Step 7. Straighten your steering wheel and adjust as needed to center your car in the space. Move slightly forward or backward if necessary to position the vehicle evenly between the lines. Follow the same steering method to park in this parking space. Practice these reference points and the maneuver will become much easier and more consistent. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to John Driving School for more practical driving tutorials. Drive smart, and see you in the next lesson.